Hi, Mrs. Caravan here. So I'm in my upstairs hallway today and in my bathroom because we're going to have a kind of wet experiment to work with today. So we're still talking about light. And today we're going to be looking at light reflection. So you guys know about reflection. So light will shine down and then bounce right off of a surface. And this is easy to show. I've set up a target here. We're going to use a flashlight to hit that target while reflecting it off of a mirror. So if I hit this mirror, hitting the mirror with the light, and then it's bouncing, and it's hitting my target dead on. So that's simple reflection. So another experiment that I've got with reflection, I set up over here. My son Tim helped me set up. We have made a Lego light maze. So I've got a flashlight here, and I'm going to shine it in the opening. And there's some mirrors inside. And it's bouncing around inside, and it is lighting up this Lego guy that's in the middle of my building. I'll take the top off and show you, but I challenge you guys, if you got some Legos at home and a few little mirrors, this is kind of a fun project. So look what I did inside. So my son helped me with this one. So the flashlight is shining off the mirrors, and it's going all the way around the corner and getting the Lego guy in the middle. So this is simple reflection of light. So the more fun and wet experiment that we're doing today is in the bathroom here. I'm first going to talk about internal reflection. So total internal reflection. So the first experiment we're going to do involves a glass and a penny. This is kind of like magic. So underneath my glass I've put a penny, and you guys can see that right now. I'm going to pour some water into this glass and watch what happens to the penny. Can't see it anymore. The penny has disappeared. So this is due to total internal reflection. So the light waves are bouncing around inside of the glass, and we can't see it anymore. So here's what happens. So originally when there's no water in the glass, you can look right through the glass and see the penny. Once you add the water, it doesn't travel straight to your eye anymore. It bounces around inside. So total internal reflection is also what is used for laser optics. So here's an example of that using water instead of cables. So here, it's going to take me a minute to set up, but here's what's going to happen. I'm going to shine a laser through a bottle. My bottle's right here. It has a little hole on the other side where some water is going to come out. So laser is going to go through, hit that hole, and bounce through that water on its way out. So I'm going to pause this while I set that experiment up, because it takes me a minute to get it lined up exactly. The laser needs to be exactly pointed at that hole. All right, so hold on one second. Okay, so here is the laser traveling through the water. It's following that water, and it's bending with the water. So if I put my finger under here, you can see the laser shining on my finger. As I get closer, it gets brighter. But it's following that light all the way down to my finger in the water. So this is total internal reflection. The water is reflecting the laser inside of it. So that's the cool experiments for lasers and total internal reflection and reflection of light. Enjoy!